welcome to another edition of my unboxing. So I just got this Samsung Buds Plus. This came after I redeemed online this Buds Plus from Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus when I ordered it. So it came with a free Buds, but you have to redeem it separately. So this just arrived in my mailbox, and we'll do this version of unboxing it, and let's see how it goes and what's the difference with this one in terms of physical appearance. I'll be having another review for comparison in terms of the sound quality, as well as the how to set up and what are the features with this one compared to the old Galaxy Buds. But now let's primarily focus on the unboxing, and let's see what is included. And after I test this, I'll do another review on what's the difference with this one compared to the old one. Okay, let's start. So now I'll be using this cutter before I use the bread knife, so I advise not to use that one. You'll be having a hard time opening it. So just open this quiet. I'm really extra careful with this. Okay, so we have this. Let me know if I'm doing this correctly. Okay, so there's another one. Okay, so let's just do this. Safety first. There you go. Now let's do this. All right, so it will come out smooth. So this is what is included on the Galaxy Buds Plus. And before we open that one, what's this? So this may be just a what I did. This may be just some manual warranty card as expected, but let's take a look. Okay, so there's nothing in there. So we have here the quick start guide here. Okay, and we have here the warranty card. So that's it, and let's have this Buds Plus. So let's try first to open this. What is this? This should be the okay, this is the charging cable that is included. So I'm pretty sure this should just be a USB type C. Okay, so it's the same USB type C from the previous Galaxy Buds. So I really enjoyed using that Galaxy Buds Plus until now. I've been using it from using my S7 Edge, and when I upgraded to S20, so I still use that one. And this would be the yeah, this is the ear I don't know what they call this, ear rubber. So these are the earbuds, just depending on the size. So let's just pull them out one by one. So it comes with different sizes. So this may be the smallest. We have here and this is the largest one. So if I remember correctly, I use the second one. Yeah, so actually we only have this, and I remember I used the third one, not the second one. So but this is kind of different compared to the other one. This one has fins, okay, and the other one don't have any fin. So this just depend on the structure of your ear. So other ears are protruding and other ear are more deeper than what you think. So as long as you're comfortable with it, it's a snag fit on your ear, then it should just be all fine. Okay, so now let's go with this casing. So there's not too much in here. So yeah, it says 11 hours playtime. I think that is a top-notch compared to the previous one. I don't know the exact playtime hours, but definitely this is much more. This is longer playtime, and two-way speaker for rich sound, triple mics for clear voice call, and QI compatible wireless charging. So you can still wirelessly charge this to your wireless charging pad or your S20 or S20 Plus or S10 phones using the wireless power share and sound by AKG. So yeah, so that's it. So let's go with this one. So let's remove this. So I think it's quite heavy compared to the old one. Okay, so let's first open this and see. I think it's this color is white because this is the only one that is available when you do. I'm not pretty sure, but here in Australia this is the only one that is available when you redeem it via online and through the S20 Plus, S20 Ultra free Galaxy Buds. So when I ordered to S20, the S20 and then S20 Plus, only the S20 Plus came with the free Galaxy Buds. Okay, so we have this is the one that is included. So I think so you have 3 options to choose from depending on the size of your ear, and this is the other one. So one key difference without looking for the or comparing it with the old model is that there is an extra microphone here. So I think that fixed the issue when it comes to mic reception when you talk while outside, because there are issues that are that have been reviewed that the mic doesn't do its job compared to the iPhone and other wireless buds. So that might fix it. So let's just do a quick physical comparison between the old one and the new one. So I think if we close this, they're actually just the same. So if you compare it, they're actually just the same. So there shouldn't be any issue or difference. This is a bit shiny, maybe it's because of the color white. It still has the sound by AKG writing. So if you open this, I don't know with others, but this is like quite heavy compared to this one. And if you do a comparison between this, yeah, I think they both have this extra mic, but I don't know. And the unbox right now, there's nothing to unbox yet. So just wait for my next video when it comes to reviewing this, comparing with the old Galaxy Buds. So again, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Bye.